Alright guys, what's going on? So today I'm just doing a quick unboxing of the OGIO Traveler's backpack. So this bag here, I got this bag at Staples. It was about $79.99 plus tax. Little pricey, but on a cheaper side when you compare it to how much some of these bags go for. I mean, some of these bags, similar type of bags, are going for 200 plus. It's a little much for me. I mean, I don't need to spend that much on a bag. But what's important is it's a great bag. You know, it's first off, let me start by saying it's it's firm. You can hear that. It's pretty solid. The build quality on this looks pretty good. It honestly looks like you could toss it around and it takes a beating. I mean, it's got, you know, it's very good material. It's solid. It doesn't look cheap. There's no, you know how like sometimes you buy a bag and the lining, the stitching is just coming apart before you even start using it. Like some of those cheaper $30 bags or $20 bags. Not this one. No, it's everything is stitched very well. And it's good, you know, it's good. I've been using this bag for a while, so it's holding up well. I mean, I treat it good, you know, I don't abuse it, but I have no doubt that it wouldn't take a beating if you were a little less careful with it, let's say. All right, so there's a ton of compartments. I think this is the perfect bag for somebody that works in some kind of IT, either help desk, a software engineer, a hardcore gamer. If you're just a hardcore gamer and you carry a lot of games and multiple laptops, website developer, this is also great. I mean, you really can just fit a lot of stuff in here. So here we go. Here's a little OGIO logo there and the name right there as well. Also says OGIO on all of the zipper handles. There's quite a bit. Yep. It does say it here as well, but it's made with more of like a plasticky, rubbery material, as where here it's like a Velcro-y material. And the color here is black and silver. So styling's a little different on the larger compartments, I guess. But let's start with the first compartment here. Sorry, hard to do this with one hand. Like I said, it's a firm bag, so even opening the zippers, you know, takes a little effort. It's open. All right, we got it open. This is the first compartment here. As you can see, there's some good space here. So you have areas for pens or styluses. Put that there. Little compartment here. Little compartment here. Additional compartments within. This would probably be good for like maybe some USBs. You could throw a couple of USBs in there. That looks like a good area. Here is good for like maybe some small type of wires, chargers. Nice deep section here. It's a clip, maybe for keys. Put some keys on there, or I guess maybe your ID badge. Hook it up to there, whatnot. It says OGIO there as well. Another zipper here. OGIO printed all in here. So you'll never forget the name of the company, that's for sure. There's plenty of advertising for them everywhere. But at least it looks nice. You know, it's nice looking. I like the color too, the black, you know, very nice. All right, so that's the first compartment. Second compartment is right above. So that opens up from here. A cuts off, the zipper cuts off right about there, and this is, sorry, looking at the same one. So it's right above it. And you can see this is deep. This is a much deeper pocket. Just one large pocket in there. Deep though. Perfect for whatever it is you need. Maybe you could put some phones in there. Small tablet. You could fit a small tablet in there. Definitely. Easily fit a 7-inch in there. Just about whatever you want. Perfect. Alright, so that's that area. Right above it, there's another zipper, which is a larger area. Alright, let's get that open. And here we go. So this one here, this compartment here is right above. It's just three zippers we opened so far. We're not done yet. So there's a little netted area here. Right? So you can see that. This is good, I guess if you're like you can either put cables in there, or even if you're like traveling, and you need to carry like some kind of, maybe some deodorants, toothbrush and stuff, you can keep that in there too. So it's perfect for that. It's another netted area. Very nice. Okay. And then it's deep. It's pretty deep. You have some larger pockets here. There's 2 of them here. Both nice and deep. Nice padding. So if you decide to put, some of your electronics in there, laptop, whatnot, you can slide it in there too. Perfect large sleeve for that, and cushioning so nothing gets ruined. So that's perfect. Alright. We also have on the side some nets here. Perfect for water bottles, sports drinks. There's 2 of them. So perfect for that right there. Alright. On the right side, we have a little zipper here. It's a small area, but it's a little deep. It's deep enough. You could definitely put some stuff in here. You probably could fit a phone in there if you wanted. You could put some keys in there. That's a good place to maybe store some keys, or sunglasses. Out of the way, easy to grab because it's just to the side of you. You don't have to take the whole bag off. You could reach it. So that's good for something maybe like that. And there's another side pocket to the left. Alright. And it is about the same width. Same width and depth. 2 nice side pockets. Another thing I like about this bag is this luggage style handle with a like a metal type handle. So it's perfect if you just want to carry it like this and not have it on your back, especially if there's a lot of stuff in there. Maybe it's going to be heavy on your back, Also, because it has this luggage style handle, it also has a flat bottom stance. So if you push the bag out a little, gotta just stand it. It's probably hard to do because there's nothing in it, but if you had say some more stuff in it to hold the weight up, because again, like I said, this bag is sturdy. It has a little bit of weight to it, so right now it's just gonna fall flat, but if you have stuff in it, you can just kind of stand it like that. It'd be perfect. So that's that. And above that large compartment, we have another little zipped area. And this is some good storage here too. So fairly deep. Fit something nice in there. 2 sleeves there. So you could put something in the center there, and 2 more things. So good for some extra cabling, maybe SD cards, whatever it is you're carrying. It's perfect. All right, and now we are at the last area, which is the largest. And here we go. So this opens up flat. And basically, this is where you can put your laptops. So you can fit a super large laptop in there. Zip it in. And then, you know, a tablet or a smaller laptop can go right in there. And it's very cushioned, soft, so nothing's gonna be banging or scratching. There's also a Velcro strap. If you put a small tablet in there or a mini laptop in there, it's very deep, you know. Definitely could fit a 17-inch laptop easily in here. Some nice lining. It's like I said, as you can see, like everything is very well together. There is like no stitching falling apart or anything. It's very well made. Good crafting, let me tell you. And here's the back. OGIO logo there. Straps. Comfortable padded straps. More OGIO logos. Very comfortable. Nice and padded down here for your lower back. The sides of your back, more padding. Yeah, in the bottom. And I believe that was everything. Just want to check, because it is a loaded bag. It does have a lot of storage. No, that's it. So, again, this was just a quick unboxing. I want to thank you guys for watching. I recommend it. You know, I think it's good. OGIO makes a ton of bags that are similar. This is one of my favorite ones. I like the black. It's clean. A little bit of color. It's not too boring. It's a very good bag. If you, like I said, you guys are into, you know, if you do IT work, you got to carry, you know, maybe you're a computer repair technician. You got to carry around a lot of equipment, tools, cables, you know, SD cards, whatever it is. Great bag. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe so you can see more random content. I just do random content. Whatever I feel like doing for the day is what I'm doing. That's how I do it, you know. Appreciate you guys watching. And thanks from wherever you are. Have a good day, evening, from wherever you're watching. And thanks again.